এই বইটা আমি অ্যামাজন থেকে অর্ডার করেছিলাম। আর গুপ্তার ইউজিসি নেট ইকোনমিক্সের প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের পেপারগুলো এর মধ্যে রয়েছে। আমি জুন 2020-র পেপারটা আমার পড়া হয়েছে, এটাকে আমি রিভিশন করছি। So, 1 number হচ্ছে গিয়ে, in the study of international economics we use the tools of D number, both micro and macroeconomics theory, but we all extend, adapt and integrate them. 2 number, match list, Karl Marx theory of population growth 4 stages. B number, Blacker's theory of population growth 5 stages. 3 C number, Landers theory of population growth 3 stages. D number, Professor Sidgwick's optimum population theory static interpretation. 3 number, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, high powered money is the source of all other forms of money that impact money supply. Reason R, credit is credited by commercial banks. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer হচ্ছে কি B number, both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 4 number, which one of the following is a valid objective function as a linear programming problem? D number answer, mean z equal to 5x plus 2y. 5 number, transportation cost of trade affects A, B, C. Answer, pattern of trade. B number, boundaries between tradable and non-tradable goods. C number, global supply chains. Six number, the presence of asymmetric information in the market causes which of the following adverse following? A number answer হচ্ছে কি adverse selection. D number, principal agent problem. 7 number, for the production function Q equal to AL alpha K beta. Answer A, the coefficient A shows marginal efficiency. B number, if alpha plus beta less than 1, then the production function exhibits increasing returns to scale. Or D number, the marginal product of capital is given by beta Q by K. 8 number, match list, critical minimum effort theory, H. Levenstein. B number, neoclassical growth model, R. Solow. Demographic transition theory, C. P. Blacker. Or age of high mass consumption, W. W. Rostow. 9 number, the base system of taxation from the economic point of view is that which has the best or the least bad economic effects. Who said this? Hugh Dalton. 10 number, labor force participation rate is given by C number, labor force by adult population into 100. 11 number, the solution of the following game: player A, A1, A2, A3, player B, B1, B2, B3. 2, 4, 2, 1, -5, -4, 2, 6, -2 is given by B number answer, value of game equal to 2. Best strategy for players A and B are A1, B1 or A3, B1 or A1, B3 respectively. 12 number, given below are two statements. Statement 1, the endogenous growth theorists suggest investment in human capital innovation and knowledge leads to economic growth. Statement 2, investment in human capital innovation and knowledge reduces the diminishing returns on investment. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A number answer, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 13 number, which of the following equations represent national income identity? C number answer, y equal to c plus I plus g plus x minus m. 14 number, match list. A number, absolute advantage theory of international trade. A number answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে অ্যাডাম স্মিথ। আর factors proportion theory of trade, হেক্সার ওহলিন। offer curves, Marshall, opportunity cost, Heverler. তারপর হচ্ছে গিয়ে 15 number, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, if A is any matrix given by A equal to 503 -102 101, then let A equal to 0 since all elements in column 2 are 0. Reason R, Laplace expansion permits evaluation of a determinant along any row or column. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A number answer. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. 16 number. According to the traditional neoclassical growth theory, output growth results from A, B, and D number. A, B, D. Increase in labor quantity and quality, increase in capital, improvement in technology. Match list 17th number match list. Linear function, number y equal to 5x plus 3. Quadratic function y equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 9. Our exponential function y equal to 3e to power 2x. Our power function হচ্ছে y equal to 5x cube. 18 number, 18 number. Which one of the following statement is wrong? B number. 10% agriculture have 10 hectares or more. 19 number. Cross elasticity of demand of metro rides is 0.8 and total readership per day is 1.5 lakh. If price of bus rides rises by 5%, the change in total metro rides will be at such a 6,000. 20 number. For any two equally likely exhaustive and independent events A and B, PAB will be equal to answer 0.25. 21. Which one of the following price index numbers satisfy the factor reversal test? D number answer. Fisher's price index number. 22. Match list. C number. Chamberlain small group model. Swigi Kincaid demand curve. C number. Steckelberg reaction curve or Fellner price leadership model. 23 number. The number of districts initially selected from states under the Intensive Area Development Program 1960. Answer to D number. 7 districts from 7 states. 24 number. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The Rybczynski theorem postulates that at constant commodity prices, an increase in the endowment of one factor will increase by a greater proportion the output of the commodity intensive in that factor and will reduce the output of the other commodities. Statement 2. The Stolper-Samuelson theorem postulates that an increase in the relative price of a commodity, for example, as a result of a tariff, decrease the return of earnings of the factor used intensively in the production of the commodity. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 24 is C number. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. 25 number. Market failure is caused due to the presence of B number. Externalities. C number. Market power. 26 number. Signores in banking means answer A number. The economic cost of providing a currency within a given economy. B number. The difference between the face value of money and the cost of providing it. 27 number. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Marshall-Lerner conditions should be fulfilled for the success of devaluation. Reason R. Devaluation makes exports costly and imports cheaper. Answer to C number. A is correct but R is not correct. 28 number. If the disturbance term is heterostatic, which one of the responses based on given statement is true? B and C number answer. OLS estimates do not have the minimum variance property. C number. Tests of significance based on OLS estimates will be inaccurate. 29 number. According to Economic Survey 2019, the top 5 trading partners of India continue to be USA, China, UAE and A number Saudi Arabia and B number Hong Kong. 30 number. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Learning curve effects is related to a firm's long run average cost curve. Statement 2. Swapped allocation is one that is Pareto efficient as well as an equitable allocation. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Third number. A number. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 31. Which of the following are forms of government borrowing? A, B, C, D. Drawing from treasury, printing of currency notes. C number. Borrowing from non-bank public institutions. D number. Borrowing from the banking system. 32 number. Arrange the following growth economists in chronological order of when they proposed their theorists. BACD. Schumpeter, Harrod, Rostow, Solow. 33. If no industry sector draws its own output as input, then the principal diagonal elements in the technological coefficient matrix will be C number answer 0. 34. The combined liabilities of center and states as a percentage of GDP during the 2 years 2016 to 17 and 2017 to 18 consolidated is at answer B number 67%. 35. According to the last census 2011, which Indian state has the minimum sex ratio? D number Haryana. 36. White revolution refers to boost in the production of B number answer milk. 37. Given the production function Q equal to 10 L 0.8 K power 0.2, the marginal product of labor MPL and capital MPK respectively are given by A and C. Answer होगा MPL equal to 8 K oblique L power 0.2. C number होगा MPK equal to 2 L oblique K power 0.8. 38 number. Which of the following are Hawkins-Simon conditions? B and D answer. B now determinant I minus A should be positive. D number principal diagonal elements of matrix I minus A should be positive. 39. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Mrs. Ursula K. Hicks stated that private finance, whether of firms or individuals, starts with a given income plan as a framework within which expenditure must be planned. Public finance, on the contrary, starts with a given expenditure plan and the authorities adjust their income by means of taxes and resources to match the expenditure. Statement 2. Professor Cyrus pointed out that public authorities differ from private expenditure in that the former should balance income and should not necessarily seek a profit in the manner that an individual would. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. A number. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 40 number. A leftward shift in labor demand curve is caused by D number answer decrease in marginal productivity of labor. 41. Markowitz theory of portfolio management considers which of the following assumptions? 41 এর হচ্ছে কি B and D. Investors have free access to fair and correct information on return and risk. D number. Investors are rational and maximize their utility with a given level of income and money. 42. Herod Domer considers a functional economic relationship in which the growth rates of the gross domestic product depends A or B directly on the national net savings rate. B number. Inversely on the national capital output. 43 number. Overshooting model of exchange rate developed by economist Rudy Dornbush attempts to establish B number. Relationship between sticky prices and volatile exchange rates. 44 number. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Compared to a certain point on the contract curve, a point above the contract curve is more efficient. Reason R. The contract curve represents the locus of points where the marginal rate of substitution between two goods is the same for the both individual. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. D number answer. A is not correct but R is correct. 45. Absolute income hypothesis explains A number answer, consumer behavior. 46 number, the government multiplier is given by where C equal to MPC and T equal to tax rate. D number answer, 1 by 1 minus C, 1 minus T. 47 number, GDP expressed in terms of current prices is called C number, nominal GDP. 48 number, a growth model in which there are diminishing returns on each factor of production but constant return to scale and exogenous technological change that generates long-term economic growth is the D number, Solow model. 49, a time series under the condition E xt equal to U and cos xt plus k u equal to y. K is said to be C number answer, weekly stationarity. 50 number, which one of the following is not the objective of IMF? D number answer, to provide loans to the private sector.